Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel Happy Vibes. Hope you are doing good. Talking about being good, hope everyone is taking care of physical wellness and eating right. I mean, sticking to whole foods instead of the processed ones. So, today I'm going to share a very popular dish loved by adults as much as kids, but of course, a healthier and a more nutritious version that will help in weight loss too. So, without further delay, let's look at the recipe of a healthy oats banana pancake. Okay guys, so to make this healthy version of pancakes, the major ingredients you need is all here. So I've taken some rolled oats. This is 1/3 cup of rolled oats, 2 eggs, 1 banana, medium sized banana should be fine, some butter here, and these are optional. If you have it, you can add it. This is a pancake syrup, some cinnamon powder, this one is ground cinnamon, and here I have some cute little heart-shaped molds. So these are the very basic ingredients that you need to make this healthy variety of pancake. So just let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you how to make the pancake. So take a blender and blend the rolled oats. Here you go. The oats are perfectly prepped to make the pancakes. Now let's add the banana. Banana, as we know, is a very good source of fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and thus this recipe becomes even more healthier. I'm using half of a banana here. Please use a full one if the size is smaller. Now break the eggs and also add them together in the blender. So let's go ahead and blend the banana and eggs together with the oats in the blender. Check the consistency. This is exactly how it should be, not too runny. To this mixture, I am adding one optional ingredient, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is ground cinnamon. Let's give a final blend and we have a delicious and healthy pancake batter ready. Put the pan on the stove at a medium-high heat and add a dollop of butter just to grease the pan. You can also use coconut oil or any oil of your choice. Once the butter starts to melt, lower down the heat to medium and add the pancake batter slowly so that it gets the roundish shape. Use about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Let it cook on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then when you start to see those little bubbles, it's time to flip and cook the other side now. Gently press a little and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's perfectly golden browned, so let's take it out on a plate and move on to the next pancake making. Just repeat the steps and make as many pancakes you want. I usually make about 2 to 3 pancakes as these oats pancakes are really quite filling. Well, Valentine's Day is around the corner, so I thought of sharing this tip. I have already shared with you these cute little heart-shaped molds. You can use them to surprise your beloved by making some heart-shaped pancakes. It's basically the same process, All you need is to place them carefully on the heated pan, add some butter into the mold, add the batter, let it cook on one side, flip it over to cook the other side. Really, the exact same steps that I shared with you for a regular shaped pancake. So once done, take it out on a plate. I know it looks very tempting, but my friend, remember the mold is super hot at this point, so do let it cool down a bit. Once the molds are at room temperature, gently press the heart-shaped pancakes and take them out on a plate. So there you go. Some healthy and delicious oats banana pancakes are ready to be plated. Do try the heart-shaped ones for your beloved. And trust me, you will be applauded. So make these quick, healthy, delicious pancakes at home for breakfast or any time you crave for pancakes. Top it up with some pancake syrup or maple syrup or honey or fresh fruits, some dry fruits, really anything you prefer. This guilt-free pancake recipe is as delicious as the store-bought ones, full of nutrition and gets ready in a minute. You can also get your kids to easily eat nutritionally loaded banana and oats when you make pancakes this way. So, try them today and enjoy with your family. If you like my video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay connected for regular updates by hitting the bell icon. See you soon. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and keep spreading the happy vibes around.